Hey guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm driving the Volvo EX30 and I will show you how the EX30 works on the adaptive cruise control plus pilot assist. It's a very simple system and works really well. So first part, I'll show you how it works, how to use all the buttons and functions. Second part, I'll leave the camera on and show you how the vehicle drives in real world traffic in Auckland, New Zealand. First thing, if you want to set anything up, go into the settings over here, go into the car settings, and go into the driving, of course. You are able to change the driver support from pilot assist to speed limiter. Along with that, you can do steering assist, you can do lane change assist. I don't want to go through that today. Instead, you can also change the time interval between the vehicle in front of you. Default setting, I believe it is long. Every single time when you start the car, you can change to short, medium, or long when you start the vehicle. Let's put it that way. So to engage the cruise control, there are two ways. One way is to press plus on the left side of the steering. Second way is to pull the lever down to the driver part. So you're only on drive anyway, so pull it down, you can start the cruise control. So press it down, now the cruise control starts. Default setting will be mostly on ACC, which is adaptive cruise control. So basically the vehicle will drive based on your front vehicle, based on your speed. You can see our set speed on the top is green light, says 87. Let's go up by clicking plus. So single click on the plus or minus is to plus or round to fives, and minus is round to another fives, let's say 95, 90, so on and so on. If you wish to change it one by one, you just need to push and hold either the plus or minus button. Now we are on ACC. ACC means adaptive cruise control, so it's going to keep the balance between you and the front vehicle if the road is clear or not clear. If you do wish to have a little bit more steering assist, so that will keep you in the center of the lane marking or follow the front traffic, you just need to press this steering button over here. Now you can see on the top, the steering function is now on, is engaged. The vehicle also shows the green lines around the graphic. That just means the vehicle is now driving on pilot assist. So it will help you to keep the vehicle in terms of the balance in the right center. Of course, you still need to hold the steering at all times, but it does give you a small sort of assist on the steering, so it's quite nice actually. Depends on how you drive. It drives all speed from 0 to 100 something, of course. And if we want to change the lane, we're just gonna go right. And you can see that follow the front vehicle and the steering assist is back on again, the pilot assist is back on again. The whole system is really easy to use, very intuitive when to change anything. Along with that, to remember, you can also press this to change a different graphic, or press this to change to back to the standard graphic, whatever you wish to really. At any time, if you wish to cancel the pilot assist or cruise control, the best way is to just apply the brake. Now it's paused or cancelled. That means no green icon on the drive or on the steering. If you do want to resume again, press the plus, allow you to resume it, or push the lever down to the drive position, allow you to set at the current driving speed. Press plus. I'll go back to the 100. Again, green signs and green light means they are on the cruise control. And let's do medium. As you can see, the vehicle start getting closer to the distance. Overall, I think all the safety features on the EX30 work really well in traffic. Blind spot, the pilot assist, and also the lane keep assist is all working really well. Even the facial monitoring things are really good, because many other cars I've driven, it's just going to be annoying. As soon as you turn your head around, it's going to give you beeps and warnings and things. Where on these cars, it's quite easy. Like, yes, it will give you a warning if you take your eyes off the road, if you're gonna watch your phones or things like that. But let's be honest, most of the cases, this is not annoying. Where on some other cars, it could increase it to an annoying level that you really want to turn off. Where driving on the EX30, I've never need to turn it off. Let's put it that way. There's also a feature called the lane change assist. That just means if you're driving on pilot assist, if you turn your steering turn your light, indicator, you can feel the steering is helping you to turn on the left or on the right if the road is clear, if there's no one behind you on your blind spot or no one is approaching you. You can't fully let it go because it's just not against the rules. But at the same time, you can definitely feel the steering is assist for you. It really depends on what you like or what you don't like. You can try that when you drive the vehicle. Now that's pretty much end of this quick tutorial. What I'll do is I'll leave the camera on for about 5 to 6 minutes to see how it works in traffic, and I hope you enjoy the content. If you do not forget to subscribe, like. That's the best way to support the channel.